Hello, welcome to techanswer.com. Today we received a question like how to recover deleted photos or reels or stories on Instagram. Yes, without any installing any third party app, we can recover deleted posts. By accidentally or somehow, if you deleted important photos which are already you posted on Instagram, you can recover them actually. If you want a written answer, I'll just drop this link in the description. You can go through that. There is a written answer here, step by step guiding tutorial. And if you have similar questions like this, you can go through techanswer.com and click and ask a question and you can post your question. Okay, let's see how we can restore. Open Instagram application. For now what I'll do is I'll just delete one of the picture. Okay, delete it. Now I will tap on my profile picture here and click on three bars at right top and then click on settings and click on accounts, and here at bottom you'll see like recently deleted. Tap on that and here you'll have all the recently deleted posts or stories or reels, and tap on the three dots and click on restore view on profile. See here, the picture which I just deleted got restored back to my account. So this is how you can restore Instagram deleted photos or reels or stories. If you like this, please do share it to your friends, and if you have similar questions you can ask it on techanswer.com. Thanks for watching.